So if you want to set up direct deposit with Chase, here's how you do it. You should go to this site right here, which is chase.com/digital/direct-deposit. And here you have two ways to get your direct deposit form. This is the pre-filled for you. You just need to sign into your chase.com. You can do it right here in the site actually, or the mobile app. You then choose the checking amount in which you want to receive your direct deposit, then navigate to account services by scrolling up in the Chase mobile app or in the drop-down menu on the chase.com. You should click or tap on Set Up Direct Deposit Form, then download and print the email form for your employer. We also have another way to get this. You just need to download the form, the PDF form, which is right here, this is actually the form itself. Then you should locate your 9-digit routing and account numbers, and you can find them onto your account in the app and fill in your personal or other information and give the completed form to your employer. That's it. The two easy ways that are pretty simple and fast to comprehend.